Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session, after rising as much as 2% during the session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The US Department of Energy has rejected the first batch of bids from oil companies to resupply a small amount of oil to the nation's emergency crude oil stockpile in February, according to a DOE spokesperson. In its 2023 macro outlook, Goldman Sachs forecast a 1.2% contraction in UK real GDP over the course of this year, well below all other G10 major economies. The figure places Britain only fractionally ahead of Russia, which is projected to see a 1.3% contraction in 2023. Argentina and China have formalized the expansion of a currency swap deal, allowing the South American country to increase its depleted foreign currency reserves, the Argentine central bank said.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The Eurozone's unemployment rate at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT. The French current account at 07:45 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.